Welcome, everyone, to Game 2 of this exciting NBA playoff series. This is Kevin Harlan, and joining me, former NBA players Greg Anthony and Richard Jefferson. And the award-winning David Aldridge is on our sideline. Taking a look at Sacramento. They couldn't get it done on the road in Game 1. Now with their backs against the wall, can they tie the series here at home?
And, you know, in a short series, you better find a way to ramp your game up, to really up the ante in terms of intensity. You can't wait around and try to feel the team out. You got to bring the noise from the get-go.
What you love about Max is he plays with so much energy, it's hard to keep up with.
Pass to Richards. Nice D from Porzingis.
Look, the defense was locked in on him there. They know how dangerous he can be, and they guarded him perfectly.
Davis surveying the floor. And stolen by Tatum. Up top, Maxey. now just over a minute played here in the first. Takes it inside.
Big block from the big fella, Anthony Davis, putting every inch of that wingspan to work there.
Nothing soft about the putback there.
And why chance it, right? Take the dunk if you've got it.
And that's his MO. Be physical, get in position for the putback, and throw it down. The defense got to know that's what he's looking to do.
And in the first, a little over a minute and a half in. And the dunk by Tatum.
Tatum reminding the defense, like, yo, you cannot stop him.
Left side, Halliburton. Basket good. Take a look at the Kings. And being this close to the finals, they do not want to let this game get away from them.
Yeah, it's not an elimination game, but there's a good chance this game will decide the series. They won't be holding anything back. I can tell you that for sure.
It's Brown with the drive.